So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit property type here on the realtor.com application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the realtor.com app. Once that is done, just go to the top left here. So find your area, then go to the top left and press on filters right here. Now under filters right here, as you can tell, a couple different options down at the top here. It says property type and any. If you want to edit the property type for specific properties, press on the this option right here to open up this new tab. Now under property type, anyone that's checked will be the ones that show up here in the search. So for example, if you're looking for like a specific property, so you're only looking for, condos and townhomes, for instance, you can go ahead and press on that, go to the bottom, press on apply. And then when you're looking for your search now, only condos and townhouses, or whatever I guess property types you applied, will be showing up here on the search. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit property type on the realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.